What's going on, everybody? My name is James Harris of Southside Dents and Cosmetics, and this is a 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan that was damaged at the dealership during the delivery process for the sale. So in this video, you're going to see me start with some pretty large tools and then constantly go down to smaller, sharper tools. With that being said, I'm just going to shut up and let the video play. You guys can check out this repair for yourselves. All right, coming up on the final stages of our repair here, there was a little bit of paint damage from whenever this door hit whatever it did. So I opted a wet sanding bucket. And what you saw here is you saw me go to some sharper and sharper tools as I worked the center of this deep dent up. And I really just wanted to take it slow, take it easy, knock it back down when I had to so that I could get a good clean finish. And here in just a second, we'll check out the final results. An all right, nice and clean finish, exactly what we were looking for. The customer and his daughter who owns the car was very happy, and I gotta say I was pretty happy with it myself. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm James Harris of Southside Dents and Cosmetics. Reach out to the company if you need anything using the links below, and check out our social media pages.